Use one Gmail account to create multiple email addresses. Today I'm showing you how to create multiple addresses in one Gmail account. This is different than mail merge and Gmail forwarding where you combine email accounts. We're learning how to create multiple email addresses from one Gmail account. So let's go. You can create an unlimited number of email addresses using your existing Gmail address. There are actually a couple of ways to create multiple Gmail addresses. The first way is plus addressing. Let's go over it in detail. I'm going to use my Gmail account as our example for today. In order to understand plus addressing, we first need to understand the different paths of an email address. Don't worry, it's easy and you won't be quizzed after. Everything before the @ symbol in your email address is known as the local part. Everything after the @ symbol is the domain name. So your local part is a unique name for your mailbox. Hence you have one Gmail account like this account. But we can easily make multiple addresses out of this one unique Gmail address. Using a plus addressing technique, all we have to do is add a plus symbol after the local part of the email address, then type in anything we want. So let's say you are signing up for an email newsletter, but you don't want to put it in your actual Gmail address. We can type in hiski.khan03 plus un@gmail.com. It's really that easy. So here's another example of plus addressing. Say you want to sign up for another account, free trial of service. Instead of creating a whole new Gmail account, you could type in your local part, then plus, then something random or meaningful @gmail.com. You can really do this as an infinite amount of times. You can really do this an infinite amount of times. And by the way, this works for any Gmail address, not just one where the domain is gmail.com. Email send you any of these additional email addresses that you are creating will show up in your Gmail box. Because remember, you're not creating a Gmail account, you're using your existing Gmail but creating multiple email addresses from there. But this technique also work with a period instead of plus symbol in the local part of the email address. So this is how you can create multiple email addresses in one Gmail account. So all for today's video guys, thank you so much for watching.